No.
Hi guys, consider it all joy here. I am so excited to share this video with you. It is something that I have been wanting to tackle for a very long time, and that is a fridge command center family home organizer. So if that is something that you're interested in, let's get to it. The first thing you want to do is find a spot in your home where you want to place your home command center. If you live in a small space and all you have is the sides of your fridge or the front of your fridge for your command center, this is an awesome solution because you want to have your command center where you're constantly going to be walking by it. This will ensure that you actually put to action what you write on your command center. Once you've decided where you want to place your command center, you want to declutter it. So if there's any picture frames, if it's a wall you're choosing, if there is shelving, or in this case I'm using my fridge, magnets, pictures, anything, you want to declutter and start with a clean slate. The most essential thing that you need in your command center is a calendar. I have this dry erase one that I got at the Dollar Tree. The great thing about command centers is that they're designed by you to fit your lifestyle and your needs. And the way that I have designed mine is by using some of the Walmart under $2 picture frames. And the way that I attach them to the fridge is by using some of these Scotch Velcro squares. All I did was place the two sides together and then glued the one side onto each corner of the picture frame, and that way all I had to do was stick it onto the fridge and I didn't have to try to align them separately. Great way to organize all of your pens for writing your notes on your notepad and dry erase markers to erase your menu board and such is to have this magnetic cup holder under $3. A great way to keep all your take action items in one place is to have something like a bin that can be mounted onto your fridge or screwed into your wall. I love the look of this galvanized metal envelope that I got at Hobby Lobby at 40% off, just under $5. Dry erase markers from the Dollar Tree are the best and most affordable. Everything on my command center is dry erasable, so I can write on my to-do list what I have to do that day or that week, and when I'm done I can just easily erase it. It is amazing. The same for my menu board, my calendar, and my cleaning checklist. I love that I can go over to my command center in my fridge and just check off what I have done during the day and what I need to see at a glance, what I need to get done on the weekly basis, and check that off, and then just erase it and start fresh every day and every week and month. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this video motivates and inspires you to get the small spaces and your home a little bit more organized in this new year. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this. I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye bye.